It is 3:15 p.m. Wednesday, August 17th, 2022, Brewster, Ohio. Wheeling and Lake Erie Wheeling and Lake Erie Railway Company. The brick building is the headquarters of the Wheeling and Lake Erie Railway, and you have just seen, I believe, an EMD SD40 switching the Brewster freight yard of the Wheeling and Lake Erie. And I think he's coming forward again. Should be an SD40, not an SD40-2. The original Wheeling and Lake Erie was leased to the Nickel Plate Road in 1949. Nickel Plate merged with the Norfolk and Western in 1964, and the lease was transferred to the Norfolk and Western. The new Wheeling and Lake Erie was created in 1990, and Norfolk Southern dissolved the original Wheeling and Lake Erie lease. Everything east of Bellevue, Ohio, went to the new Wheeling and Lake Erie, and Norfolk Southern Railroad kept Bellevue to Toledo, Ohio. We'll just wait a minute, see if he comes forward here. No, I think we'll end this video. It is 3:16 p.m. Wednesday, August 17th, 2022, Wheeling and Lake Erie Railway Company headquarters, Wheeling and Lake Erie, Brewster, Ohio Freight Yard, over and out.